Hello everyone and welcome to ZTech. Basically, the full-size SUV segment in India is one of the most popular and contested car segment. Cars like the Toyota Fortuner and the Ford Endeavour have been the constant rulers of this segment since a long time. But now, Hyundai, one of the most popular and top-selling car manufacturers in India from Korea, is all set to dive in this segment with its flagship SUV, the Hyundai Palisade. Well, in the starting I used the word contested. It means that a lot of car manufacturers tried out their cars in this segment, but they didn't really succeed. These car manufacturers were Mahindra, Isuzu and many more. These cars were Mahindra Alturas G4 and Isuzu MU-X. It was not like these cars didn't offer good features or were not good in terms of their off-roading capabilities. These cars offered fair-to-building features and Isuzu MU-X is a great off-roader, but still they didn't manage to succeed in this segment. But now Hyundai is trying out their car in this segment. So it is going to be very interesting at how Hyundai manages to make some room for their car in this segment. We accept that Hyundai Palisade will launch in the starting of next year, that is 2021. And as the Hyundai Palisade will launch, it is going to be rivaling with the all-new car or with the all-new competitor, that will be the Kia Telluride. And the interesting fact or a relation between the Kia Telluride and the Hyundai Palisade is that Hyundai Palisade shares its platform from the Kia Telluride. So it is going to be very interesting that which car launches first, the Kia Telluride or the Hyundai Palisade. We are eagerly waiting for both of these cars. Now it's totally up to the car manufacturers at when they plan to launch these cars in India. But in this video, I'll be telling you everything you need to know about the Hyundai Palisade. So watch this video. Beginning with the designing of Hyundai Palisade. Palisade looks very stylish and sporty seen from outside, and it continues the same theme inside as well. Hyundai has a great taste of design and styling elements, and same it has did with the Hyundai Palisade. Palisade looks very stylish and elegant seen from outside as well as from inside. It's just tremendous. And in terms of dimensions as well, Hyundai Palisade is just humongous. The length of Hyundai Palisade is of 4980 millimeters and the width of Hyundai Palisade is of 1976 millimeters, while the height of Hyundai Palisade is of 1750 millimeters, which means that this car is more longer and wider than both of its major rivals, the Toyota Fortuner and the Ford Endeavour, though it's quite shorter than both of these cars. The wheelbase of Hyundai Palisade is of 2900 millimeters, which is again greater than the Toyota Fortuner and the Ford Endeavour, while the ground clearance offered with the Hyundai Palisade is of 210 mm, which is quite sufficient regarding the segment. And the curb weight of Hyundai Palisade is between 1080 kilograms to 2060 kilograms. Adding to the styling of Hyundai Palisade are LED DRLs and a pair of LED headlamps and tail lights. Hyundai Palisade also gets LED turn indicators which are situated on its ORVMs, and the ORVMs are also electrically adjustable and foldable. They also comes with the heated function. In terms of equipment, Hyundai Palisade comes with rain sensing wipers and hands-free tailgate. Adding more to the equipment list of Hyundai Palisade are a 7-inch color display for the instrument panel, tilt and telescoping adjustable steering wheel, a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system which supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. It also comes with all other necessary mobile integration connectivities, and it is mated with a 12-speaker system from Harman Kardon. So the sound quality is also going to be top-notch, and the equipment list even extends more to 8-way electrically adjustable driver and passenger seats, and adding more to the driver's sitting comfort is a 2-way adjustable lumbar support, and both the front and second row seats are ventilated. Hyundai Palisade also comes with dual sunroof, wireless charging, blind spot monitor, surround view monitor and a 360-degree rear view camera. Hyundai Palisade is offered in 2 sitting configurations in the global market, that is 7-seater and 8-seater, and with both the sitting configuration we get respective packages that overall enriches the sitting comfort as well as the overall ambience and feature feedback of the car from inside. Like for the 7-seater version, we got a package called VAV, which gets features like rear entertainment screens and temperature controlled bottle holders. In global markets, Hyundai Palisade is available in 3 engine options, that is the 2.2 liter TCI diesel, a 3.5 liter MPF and a 3.8 liter turbocharged petrol. The first motor, that is the 2.2-liter TCI diesel produces around 200 horses and 441 Newton meters of torque, while the second one, that is the 3.5-liter MPI, it churns out around 277 horses and 335 Newton meters of torque, while the third engine option, it produces around 295 horses and 355 Newton meters of torque. And all of these engine options are accommodated with the 8-speed automatic transmission. And Hyundai Palisade is also available in all-wheel drive configuration. But it is yet to be seen that which engine Hyundai offers with the Palisade in the Indian car market. Hyundai Palisade also comes with various drive modes such as Comfort, Slope, Eco and Sport. And Hyundai Palisade also comes with paddle shifter, H-Track all-wheel drive, brake function with braking technology, and it also comes with the downhill brake control. Hyundai Palisade does not lack on the safety side as well. It gets 7 airbags, ABS, traction control, forward collision avoidance assist, lane assist, blind spot collision avoid assistance, highway drive assist and smart cruise control. Hyundai has the Hyundai Palisade is a well feature loaded car and is more befitting in terms of its feature and engine options than the Toyota Fortuner and the Ford Endeavour, and it's a great car. Hyundai Palisade in the global markets is priced between $32,000 to $45,000, which means in Indian currency it's approximately 23,90,000 to 33,70,000. But in India, we accept this car to be priced between 35 lakhs to 40 lakh rupees. If Hyundai launches this car in this price bracket, it is going to be very interesting and a tough competition between Hyundai Palisade and all other competitors in this segment as well as in this price range. As the Hyundai Palisade will launch, as I told you in the starting, it is gonna rival with the all-new competitor that will be the Kia Telluride. And again, I'm telling you that Kia Telluride is the car from which Hyundai Palisade shares its platform. So again, it is going to be very interesting that which car launches first, the Kia Telluride or the Hyundai Palisade. So I have told you all you need to know about the Hyundai Palisade, but still if you have any queries about this car, then do comment down below. And if you like this video, then do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Thanks a lot for watching this video.